Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. And if you're interested in the content, please take a look at my other in-depth reviews. I do appreciate it if you like and subscribe to the channel, as this is self-funded and it allows me to create more content for everyone. Today you're joining me on Delta's new short-haul product, the Airbus A220. I would happily try any new aircraft that is not a Boeing 737. Considering this is the best airline in the United States, I am excited to try it and share with you. Entering the aircraft, you're greeted with the familiar Delta blue with red embroidered logo. Delta's hard product is constantly being improved, and they continue to offer in-flight entertainment screens, whereas other airlines are trailing back.
Energy in the air. It's excitement, reunion, and renewal. But as we settle into the calm, let's reflect on the gift that is travel. We'll always be here to welcome you home.
At Delta, connecting you to what matters is what matters most. As America's most awarded airline, this remains our #1 honor. Welcome aboard. Welcome aboard. Welcome aboard, and thank you.
There's a loss of power. Lights will illuminate the aisle to guide you to an exit.
It's unlikely, but if cabin pressure changes, the panels inside the lavatories and above your seat will open, revealing oxygen masks. If this happens, reach up and pull the mask down to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, slip the elastic strap over your head, and adjust the mask if necessary. Breathe normally and note that oxygen is flowing, so don't worry if the bag doesn't.
The charging ports are easily accessible, and you don't have to dig in between the seats to find it. Over the years, after flying many US airlines, I have found that Delta has been the most consistent in their product offering, both in the hard product and also with the soft product and the flight attendants. For you international viewers, this is a no-brainer when it comes to flying within the United States. If you can choose Delta, I absolutely recommend it. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next Traveling is Life journey. Until then, stay safe.